In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Canva to create stunning visuals with just a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a beginner looking to enhance your digital content, this guide will walk you through the basics of designing a personalized canvas. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, it's quick and straightforward, requiring just an email and password. Once you're in, let's create a new canvas. We'll be working with a standard Instagram square dimension, which is 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size is perfect for most social media posts, ensuring your image looks crisp and professional. Now, let's bring a photo into our design. On the left side panel of Canva's interface, you'll see various tabs like Templates, Photos, and Uploads. If you already have a picture you'd like to use, simply click Upload. This feature allows you to choose images directly from your device. Alternatively, you can explore Canva's extensive gallery of images. Once you've found or uploaded your image, the next step is to bring it onto your canvas. With your image ready, click and drag it directly onto the canvas. You can adjust the size and positioning by clicking and pulling on the corners until it fits your design vision. Now, here's where we start to get creative. To really make your image pop, let's remove the background. Canva's BG Remover tool is incredibly handy for this. Find the tool by clicking on your image and navigating to the toolbar above. Once there, click BG Remover and let Canva work its magic. It will automatically detect and remove the background, leaving just the focal point of your image. A great way to create clean, professional visuals. Now that we've isolated our image, let's add some depth using shadows. Head back to the floating toolbar where you'll find the Edit option. From there, scroll down to the Effects section and choose Shadows. Within this feature, there are various shadow styles like Glow, Drop, and Curved. For this tutorial, we're going to select Outline. The outline effect helps provide a defined edge to your subject, helping it stand out against the background or other design elements. Once you've selected outline, you can customize it further. Adjust the size to control how pronounced the outline is, tweak the intensity to make the outline more or less subtle, and don't be afraid to change the color to match your brand or aesthetic theme. And there you have it, a beautifully edited image ready to share with the world. Remember, the key to using Canva is experimentation. Play around with different tools and effects until you find what works best for you. Thank you for joining me today. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.